Hi guys, it's Katelyn and welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm a licensed hairdresser and I'm doing my friend Ava's hair today. So this is her before. We did her highlights about 6 months ago and we did more of like a rich chocolatey balayage that time around. So this time we're going a little bit lighter with some like beigey subtle dimension and throwing a little bit of blonde in there. So I'm starting in her nape, so here I am just sectioning that off and adding highlights around the back perimeter of her hairline. So this is just going to give her some highlights whenever she wears her hair up in a ponytail. And you might notice that I'm going in kind of like inverted triangular sections. So I like to do this sectioning technique whenever I like to leave a lot of dimension and leave the right amount of hair out in between the foils so I can preserve some of her natural depth and make sure that I'm making the highlights soft enough for her. So now for the side, I'm just taking horizontal back sections around her hairline just to give her a little bit of a money piece. So I'm doing 2 back to back here, and then I'm leaving dimension through the rest, just pivoting the foils, still horizontal back up the side section of her head. So right here I'm sectioning off for her money piece. So this one is going to be right in the front around her face. I'm doing 2 back-to-back diagonal back sections. This is just going to give the effect of a really soft, subtle money piece where it's skinnier coming from the root, and then it has the effect of getting bigger and wider as it goes down the hair shaft. So here's the finished product. It does look like a lot of foils, but it's going to be super blendy after we do the root smudge, and we left a lot of dimension and hair out of the foils as well, and I kind of took like baby light, so it's still going to look super soft. And she only had to process for about 30 minutes without heat. Here's a better view of the front so you can really see those money piece foils. So I root smudged Ava off camera, but I did root smudge the money pieces just a little bit. I kind of did like a halo effect where you root smudge a little tighter to the root in the front and then you go much deeper towards the back. So I really only root smudged like a 1/2 inch on her money pieces in the front, and then I took it down about 2 or 3 inches going towards the back of her head. And her root smudge formula was 5N, 5NA by Redken Shade ZQ. For the gloss, we used Redken Shade ZQ 8N7AG to give a really nice darker beigey blonde. So this is what it looks like after about 5 minutes of processing in the hair. Now on to blow drying. This is where you can really start to see the color come to life. I'm using Ava's blow dryer. It's a Bionic Smart X dryer, and I'm also using an Ergo round brush just to blow her out pretty straight so I can take off about 1 inch trim, and I'm gonna shape up her layers off camera. So this is the final product, and we love, so perfect and soft, so blended, so natural, we love it. I hope you guys love this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys have an amazing day and see you next time.